Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English with me.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, today we practice daily speaking without fear.
That means simple English for real life. Morning, food, work, friends, and daily habits.
If you are a beginner, don't worry.
Yes, this podcast is for you. Slow, clear, easy English.
You listen.
You repeat.
You speak.
And you improve.
Before we start, please like and follow the podcast.
And share with a friend who is learning English too.
Okay, let's begin.
Topic 1. Morning routine.
Let's start with morning English.
Yes, morning is the first part of the day.
First phrase. I wake up at...
Example, I wake up at 7.
Your turn. Say, I wake up at...
Good job.
Another example. I wake up at 6:30.
Repeat again. I wake up at 6:30.
Nice. You're speaking English already.
Next phrase. I get up.
Wake up means eyes open. Get up means body out of bed.
Example. I wake up at 7. I get up at 7:10.
Repeat. I get up at...
Great.
Next phrase. I brush my teeth.
Example. I brush my teeth in the morning.
Repeat slowly. I brush my teeth.
Very good.
Now short dialogue.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do after?
I brush my teeth.
Great.
Now you listen again.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do after?
I brush my teeth. Now you speak.
Answer. What time do you wake up?
Say your time.
Good job.
Topic 2. Breakfast.
Now food English.
Breakfast is morning food.
Phrase, I eat breakfast.
Example. I eat breakfast at 8.
Repeat, I eat breakfast.
Nice.
Next phrase, my breakfast is...
Example. My breakfast is a banana.
Repeat, my breakfast is a banana.
Great beginner sentence.
More examples. My breakfast is eggs. My breakfast is bread. My breakfast is tea and toast.
Repeat one. My breakfast is tea and toast.
Perfect.
Now, dialogue time.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat a banana.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Listen again.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat a banana.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea. Now you answer.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Speak now.
Great answer.
Topic 3. Daily activities.
Now daily routine English.
Phrase, I go to work.
Repeat, I go to work.
Good.
If student, I go to school.
Repeat, I go to school.
Nice.
Phrase, I start work at.
Example, I start work at 9.
Repeat, I start work at 9.
Great. Next phrase, I finish work at.
Example, I finish work at 5.
Repeat, I finish work at 5.
Perfect.
Topic 4. Talking about feelings.
Now easy feelings English.
Phrase, I am tired.
Repeat, I am tired.
Good.
Phrase, I am happy.
Repeat, I am happy.
Nice.
Phrase, I am busy.
Repeat, I am busy.
Great. Dialogue. How are you today?
I am tired.
Why?
I wake up early. Listen again.
How are you today?
I am tired.
Why?
I wake up early. Now you answer.
How are you today?
Say, I am happy, tired. Good.
Great speaking.
Topic 5. Evening routine.
Evening English now.
Phrase, I go home.
Repeat, I go home.
Good. Phrase, I eat dinner.
Repeat, I eat dinner.
Nice. Phrase, I watch TV.
Repeat, I watch TV.
Good. Phrase, I sleep at.
Example, I sleep at 10. Repeat, I sleep at 10.
Great.
Topic 6. Simple conversation practice.
Let's practice full daily talk now.
Listen first. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat bread and tea.
Do you work or study?
I work.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5.
What do you do at night?
I watch TV and sleep. Now listen again.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat bread and tea.
Do you work or study?
I work.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5.
What do you do with night?
I watch TV and sleep. Now you answer.
What time do you wake up?
Pause and answer.
Do you eat breakfast?
Answer.
What do you eat?
Good.
Topic 7. Confidence practice.
Important message now.
You do not need perfect English.
Small English is okay.
Simple English is powerful.
Speak daily.
Repeat daily.
Practice daily.
You're improving already.
Yes, really.
Topic 8. Talking about time.
Now we learn time English.
Very useful for daily speaking.
Phrase, what time is it?
Repeat. What time is it?
Good.
Answer. It is 3 o'clock.
Repeat, it is 3 o'clock.
Nice. More examples. It is 7 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock.
Repeat 1. It is 7 o'clock.
Great speaking. Dialogue.
What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Listen again.
Repeat dialogue. Now you answer.
What time is it?
Say anytime.
Good job.
Topic 9. Days of the week.
Now, days English.
Very important words.
Listen. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Repeat slowly with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great.
Phrase. Today is Monday.
Repeat. Today is Monday.
Nice. More examples. Today is Tuesday. Today is Friday. Today is Sunday.
Repeat 1. Today is Sunday.
Good. Question. What day is today?
Repeat. What day is today?
Great. Dialogue. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Do you work today?
Yes, I work today. Listen again.
Repeat dialogue. Now you answer. What day is today? Say your day. Nice speaking. Topic 11. At the market.
Now, shopping English.
Very useful in daily life.
Phrase, I want this.
Repeat. I want this.
Good.
Phrase. How much is this?
Repeat. How much is this?
Great. Phrase. It is 50 rupees.
Repeat. It is 50 rupees.
Nice. Dialogue. How much is this apple?
It is 20 rupees.
Okay, I want this.
Here you are. Listen again.
Repeat dialogue. Now you speak.
How much is this?
Ask. Great. Topic 12. Likes and dislikes.
Now talking about likes.
Very common English.
Phrase, I like tea.
Repeat. I like tea.
Good.
Phrase. I don't like coffee.
Repeat, I don't like coffee.
Nice. More examples. I like rice. I like fruit. I don't like spicy fruit.
Repeat, I like rice.
Great. Dialogue.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
Listen again.
Repeat dialogue. Now you answer.
Do you like tea?
Answer yes or no.
Good job.
Topic 13. Talking about family.
Now, family English.
Very important topic. Words. Mother, father, brother, sister.
Repeat with me. Mother, father, brother, sister.
Good. Phrase. This is my mother.
Repeat. This is my mother.
Nice. Phrase. I have one brother.
Repeat. I have one brother.
Great. Dialogue. Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have a sister?
No, I don't. Listen again.
Repeat dialogue. Now you answer.
Do you have a brother?
Answer.
Nice speaking.
Topic 14. daily needs.
Now, useful daily sentences.
Phrase, I need water.
Repeat. I need water.
Good. Phrase, I need help.
Repeat. I need help.
Great. Phrase, I am hungry.
Repeat. I am hungry.
Nice. Phrase, I am thirsty.
Repeat. I am thirsty.
Good job. Dialogue. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you need food?
Yes, I need food. Listen again.
Repeat dialogue. Now you answer.
Are you hungry?
Answer.
Great speaking.
Topic 15. Confidence builder practice.
Now, speaking confidence.
Repeat after me.
I can speak English.
Repeat. I can speak English.
Good.
I am learning English.
Repeat. I am learning English.
Great.
I speak every day.
Repeat. I speak every day.
Nice.
My English is improving.
Repeat. My English is improving.
Excellent.
Wrap up. Today, we learned daily English speaking.
Let's review.
I wake up at.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I am tired/happy.
I eat dinner.
I sleep at.
Great job today.
You listened.
You spoke.
You improved.
We are proud of you.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up?
And what is your breakfast?
We love reading your answers.
See you next episode.
Keep practicing English.
Bye.